Whoa, yeah. Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Leam and I. Give me 5, buddy. We're out here driving the Hoss, and we are just amazed this thing's even still running. The electronic speed control has since come loose and broke off, and it's just rattling in there. And I haven't taken the time to secure it yet because I always forget. But the last time we drove this was out in Little Moab, and we were rock crawling it. Yeah! And it surprised me how it actually made it up those rocks. So Liam and I are just gonna cruise it around here at this construction site where we drove it once before, but that looked a lot different when we drove it here. They've since taken some dirt out, but let's go cruise it around. Liam's been wanting to come drive it, so we're gonna come out here and do what we do best and put this thing to the test. Whoa. Whoa, there's some deep dirt. Woohoo!
And boost it.
Yeah. Let's go over here, buddy. That is some thick, dusty dirt. Oh boy. We're good, buddy. Oh my gosh. This fine dirt is the worst. Whoa! What? Yeah, watch this, buddy. Woohoo! Yeah?
Did you see that?
I did. What did we do? Yeah. Oh, when he says do you want to fix it, he wants me to roll it. We lost our momentum. No. Woo! This dust is the worst. I think after today, we really need to give this thing some TLC, break it down, refill the shocks. I've had it for, I don't even know how long now, well over a year. I've never done really any maintenance to it. Whoa! Should we go fast? Here we go. Wow. And we have to jump it so you can fix it. Where is it? Oh, you want to push it? Okay, we'll bring it back. Find a jump, buddy. It's kind of boring up here. Let's go find something cool. Woohoo! Should we do that again? Oh, wow. Oops. Yeah, that was my bad. Here it comes, buddy. Oh, saved that one. Yeah.
Did you see that?
I did. Did we do a good jump? Let's do it. Yeah? Do it. Shortcut. Ooh. Yeah?
Did you see that?
I did. Oh! Whoa, what?
Did you see that?
I did. What happened? Those shocks have no spring left in them. Oh my goodness. Good push, buddy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Full speed. Oh my goodness.
Dad,
Yeah,
did you see that?
I saw that. That was bad. Full speed. Oh! What's up, buddy?
Did you see that?
I did. Okay, let's go. William, can you fix it? Climb, climb, climb. Woohoo! Good slide. Good job. You did fix it. Good job, bud. Where?
Fixed it up here.
Up here?
Up here.
Oh, let's do it.
Let's do it.
You're my co-pilot, man. Oh! Oops. Let's try to go up this one. Let's go over to the other side.
Daddy,
Yeah? This one?
this one.
All right. Oh! Come on! Not happening, bud. Sorry. That's a steep one. But we never give up. Oh, yeah! Liam, should we do it again?
Do it again.
All right, buddy. Challenge accepted. Yes! That was awesome. Somebody?
Hey, Dad.
Give me 5, man.
Dad,
Yeah.
you want to jump?
Again? We had to send it up that. Oops. I think we hit a tree or something.
Bruh.
Oh, no. Liam. How are you gonna go fix that one?
No.
You're gonna have to climb all the way up there, buddy. Let's do it. Yeah. You're gonna fix it? I believe in you, buddy. We've been practicing our climbing. Oh, that's a steep one. Dad's gonna help you.
Dad?
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
you're doing it. Oh, who's gonna help Dad? Climb, buddy, climb. Climb. Oh, there's so much dirt going in my shoe right now.
Miss you right now.
Oh shoot.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah,
You want to go fix?
you got it, buddy. Climb, buddy. You're almost there. Woohoo! Climb, buddy. Climb. Yes. Woohoo! Woohoo! Liam! Good job, buddy! You did it! Careful. You be careful. Come here.
No.
Look it. We be careful right there. Good push. Okay, let's send it. Look at that hill. Woohoo! Oh! Apparently there's some big rocks right there. It's right there. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Nope.
No.
Not happening, bud. Oh no, what did Dad do? I flipped it.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
You want to go fix it?
Dang it. We try self-riding. Let's do it. Here we go.
Here you go.
Yes! It worked.
Dad,
Yeah.
you want to fix it?
Okay, we'll let you fix the next one. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Goodness gracious, that is a brutal. We might get out the Axial SCX-10 too, but for now, we're gonna wrap this one up, guys. Thanks for being here.
For watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
Woohoo!